So what's a special needs trust? Well, folks, in my past videos, I've explained different types of trusts that are out there. A special needs trust is normally created by parents of a child that is not competent to handle their own assets or their own money. And in these types of trusts, the parent usually will appoint themselves as a trustee or manager of the trust, and it will be for the care of that child. So now assets can be placed into the trust, and the parents can care for the trust or the assets inside the trust and the child without affecting the child's benefits the child may be receiving at that time. The other thing that can happen is that the parents can appoint another sibling of that child to be trustee or manager of the trust. And these types of trusts have to be managed in a certain way. For instance, money cannot be given to the child being cared for. Money cannot go into that child's name directly. Dave Ceruolo, ceruololaw.com.